We're back on 30 Minutes to Better Health, and very fortunate to have one of the leading physiatrists in the area, Dr. Joseph Femminineo, one of the principals here at the Shelby Macomb Medical Mall, 23 in Shaner. One of the newest, if not the newest, certainly one of the largest developments here in Shelby Township. And Dr. Femminineo, for the viewers at home, you are a physiatrist. Let's kind of give it a, most people aren't going to know what that means. Let's give a definition of what that is.
Certainly. A physiatrist is a specialist in medicine that deals with the non-surgical management of neuromuscular and musculoskeletal conditions. And there's a wide array of medical conditions that are involved in that, including non-surgical pain management, as well as dealing with catastrophic injuries such as spinal cord injury and stroke.
Kind of like a pain doctor without a knife, as you will.
Exactly.
And your group, a very large group, one of the larger groups that I know, I've known of you for years. What are some of the affiliations? I know you direct some of the rehab centers for many of the local hospitals. Is that accurate?
It is. I have been the director of rehabilitation medicine at St. John Hospital and Medical Center since the late 1980s. Our group oversees the rehabilitation not only in that institution, but also Beaumont Grosse Pointe, as well as Henry Ford Cottage. So our tentacles are in a lot of places.
And those are pretty large tentacles. I mean, that's some of the major players in the healthcare field in southeast Michigan, actually.
Well, we've been at this business for quite some time.
We had talked a couple years ago, and I really, we're going to do an interview down the road, but I was educated, actually. You taught me something last time we talked, of exactly how physical medicine or physiatry, your specialty, I don't want to say invented, but the inception, I found very informative. Let's tell the viewers at home your specialty, how it came into existence.
Well, actually, it's a byproduct of some of the catastrophic wars that unfortunately plagued this nation in the early 1900s. A byproduct of World War I and World War II were catastrophic injuries, gunshot wounds, losses of limbs, and those types of things. And there was a medical specialty was adapted that dealt with rehabilitating individuals that were injured in such a capacity. Our focus is primarily function, not just curing disease or aiding in pain management, but restoring individuals to a normal functional status, even though they may have some deficits.
You're just trying to make the car run, as best it can. There may be always a little Jimmy in the front wheel a little bit, but it's a lot better. I mean, I'm sure you see certainly some magical cases, some stuff that have actually exceeded your expectations even going in, where the patient's actually surprised how well they have done.
Oh, I've seen in this business, I've been in it since the early 80s, and I've never ceased to be amazed by some of the recoveries that we see, and we just play a small hand in that. We oversee a wide array of disciplines that are involved in this process, including physical therapists, occupational therapists, speech and language pathologists, neuropsychiatrists. We kind of formulate a team in an effort to restore that individual to functional status as best we can.
Dr. Joseph Femminineo, we've known each other a long time. I know you're excited about it. You're going to offer services here that are very unique. Shelby Township, Northern Macomb County should be equally excited. And if they have any pains of any kind, back pain in particular, or some of these other things you discussed, I'm sure they can stop by 23 in Shaner. There's going to be like a concierge or something to get information. There are actually plans on a community education room where they might want to learn, hey, what's going on with the that Great Lake Physiatry, what are they offering? They can get a brochure or something on it. This is state of the art. As far as I know, this isn't being done anywhere else. We're very fortunate in Shelby Township to have this. We're very fortunate to have you and your group. Appreciate seeing you again, spending, obviously 15, 20 minutes out of your busy day. I'm Mark Gulyas for Dr. Joseph Femminineo, one of the area's leading physical medicine specialists, physiatrist. We'll see you next time on 30 Minutes to Better Health.